This is multiple choice. So can you do the first page? And I'll give you 10 minutes to do that. So I'll give you 10 minutes to do the first page and just tell me the letters or something like that. So this is pretty realistic. On the actual AP exam, you have about a minute per question. So 10 minutes is very reasonable. So you should be able, this should take about 10 minutes, I think. So can someone tell me the answer to 1? Great. So this reacts to form this base. So that's the answer. What about 2? So the conjugate acid this. So we need to see this act as a base. Right. So here we have this acid. So we have this base and its conjugate acid. So it's B. What about 3? What's the pH of pure water? Great. So then the concentration of H plus equals 10 to the minus pH equals 10 to the minus 7. What about 4? Pure water is neutral, right? Yeah, exactly. Pure water is neutral, so hydronium and hydroxide should be equal. These should be equal since it's pure water. What about 5? Let me see. Yep, C. You simply do so you find the POH equals negative log 0.0025 equals some number equals 2.6. And then since pH plus POH equals 14, you have pH equals 11.4. What about 6? So this is pH equals negative log of H plus, right? So therefore, and then this is H plus. I mean, these are basically the same thing. You can think of them as the same thing. So we need to take the log of this and make it negative, so it's C. What about 7? So remember, pH equals negative log of H plus. Therefore, H plus equals 10 raised to the minus pH. Right? So you simply evaluate this and you get 7 is E. What about 8? So solutions with a lot of hydroxide ions are going to be very basic. So you want the most basic solution. Which one's the most basic? D, right? Great. And then 9? 9 is pretty self-explanatory. 9 is like it's very similar to a problem we did before. So OH minus is going to be twice the concentration of barium hydroxide since we have two OH minuses. So equals 0.03 molar. And then from there it's not too difficult. So it's C, I believe. And then 10. Can we do 10? What's the answer to 10? Great. 10 is C. Obviously, it's very basic, so these two are not going to be equal. This is not true. This is true. That's the definition of a strong base. This is nonsense, really. It doesn't, the strong base, weak base, it doesn't change whether it reacts with acids or not. All it means is like, does it dissociate fully, right? And same with this. This is basically the same thing as that. Okay.